And once your package is either redelivered or safely picked up, the issue is resolved without any hassle. If you miss a delivery that requires a signature, there are still several easy ways to receive your package without stress. If you're not home when a UPS driver attempts delivery, they usually leave a notice at your door. This notice lets you choose what to do next. You can schedule a redelivery for another day, or you can pick up the package directly from a nearby UPS location. UPS normally makes up to 3 delivery attempts before holding the package at a local facility. You can also authorize someone else, such as a neighbor, family member, or friend, to sign for the package on your behalf. This is often the easiest solution if you know you won't be home during delivery hours. Some people ask if they can leave a note asking the driver to leave the package without a signature. While you can request this, it's not recommended and may not be accepted if the shipper requires a signature. However, if the package does not require an adult signature, you may be able to request that the driver leaves it on the next delivery attempt without signing. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained what to do if a UPS package requires a signature and you're not home. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick delivery and shipping tips. Thanks for watching.